Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raven Maureen, and today I want to share with you everything that I got from my Simplicity pattern haul at Joann's. So I literally just got back from Joann's and I just slapped some makeup on my face and I threw this sweater on, which I made by the way, and I'm going to do this haul for you. I am going to start putting what I wear in the description box because a lot of the things that I wear in my videos are things that I made. And so I noticed that in my last video, my outfit did get a lot of traction or a lot of attention. And so I want to make sure I include that. Anyway, I'm just going to jump in here. So I did pick up Mimi G's 9687. This is a fairly new pattern. It's kind of like a jogger set. I was really drawn to the pants, but the more and more I look at this, I am really drawn to the jacket. And I'm thinking that maybe, just maybe, my fabric that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, the olive twill, might go with this. The next thing I got was Simplicity 9702. I have been stalking this pattern on Simplicity's website, waiting for this sale because I love this dress, and I don't know why. I don't know if it's the V-neck, I don't know if it's the empire, and then like the tears. I love it, and I do have some fabric in my stash, trying to be good here, for this pattern. I also picked up Simplicity 9450. And I saw Norris, he actually combined the top to this and the bottoms to this and made like a jogger suit. I'm already kind of working on something like that with another pattern, but I bought this anyway just because I think I want to do it again. And I think I could do it with both of these. So yeah, I picked both of them up. Plus I do like that this one has a hoodie, and I think that this one is sneaky good. I don't know if anyone else has noticed, this one has pockets inside the actual sweatshirt. So it's not like the kangaroo pockets. It's like sneaky pockets, which I think is actually pretty cool. The next one I picked up was Simplicity 9636. This is another Mimi G pattern. I am really drawn to view A right here. I'm not crazy about like the side openings right here. I really think that this one will probably cater more to my style. And I just love it. It honestly reminds me of, she had a pattern, and she probably still does, on her website. I think it's called like the Kanye sweatshirt. It kind of reminds me of that, and I have that too, but it's just so much easier to like cut out a Simplicity pattern versus putting together PDF tiles. So here I am. And of course I picked up Mimi G's 9701. As soon as this dropped on her Instagram with the hot pink, like I was just like jaw on the floor. Like, this is the embodiment of sexy. I love it. I want to make it. Enough said. Simplicity 9715. Y'all, this is like giving me like serious Katharine Hepburn vibes. Like, I love the pants. I was like, oh, look at those pants. And I was like, I bet you like a crop button down will look great. And then look, it's a crop button down in the damn pattern kit. Who'd have thought? Anyway, I love this. I'm not sure when, where, how, why I'm going to make this, but I want to make it so bad. This is Simplicity 9639. I'm actually not sure when this came out. This might be new, but what I was mostly drawn to was like the ruffle hems between the tiers, and then of course the crossbody wrap feature here. Not too crazy about these handkerchiefs, the handkerchief hem line, but at the same time, this is a pattern where I feel like you can sew the top and then make anything the bottom, so I did pick it up. Okay, I picked up Mimi G's 9638. I have been in love with this pattern since it first dropped. I think it was like sometime last year, and I just hadn't been able to find it at my local Joann's. This was the perfect time to find it. I love the skirt here. I love a motorcycle jacket. I have made one of her other motorcycle jackets. It's a old, probably out of print pattern. I wouldn't be upset if I made another motorcycle jacket, just saying. This is something that it's like chef's kiss, like it's perfection. And I don't know where I can fit it into my life, but I'm gonna squeeze this into my lifestyle somehow. Like, I'm gonna do it. So this is Simplicity 9594. This is a Jiffy pattern. So Jiffy basically means that it's like super fast, and this has two main pattern pieces: easy cut, easy sew. So I really like this. This is definitely like an easy throw on for the summer, something where if you need to just get rid of like probably 1.5 yards or 2 yards of something random in your stash, you can go ahead and do that with this. I do like that it's got more of like an A-line cut here. And so that's why I picked it up, but also it's just, like I said, one of those easy breezy patterns that you can have. And I have been looking for this pattern for a minute, so I was just like, I felt vindicated when I found it. Okay, this next one is Simplicity 9714. This is another new Mimi G. I picked this one up. I literally fell in love with this jacket that she made with the cross tie. I've been seeing the cross tie blazers in some of like the runway pictures that I see on Pinterest a lot. This is so on trend, definitely on trend for 2023. And I feel like it's just like one of those classic work pieces. Like I have some fabric that is definitely like, I don't want to call it random work fabric or random work wear fabric, but it kind of is. And I've just been like, okay, I need to find something for this fabric. I think this is perfect. The other thing about this pattern is that for the jacket part, it's not lined. So it's one, is it perfect for spring? Yes, it's also perfect for a beginner, and it's also perfect for me because that workwear fabric is like literally 2 yards, that's it, no backsies, whatever. So I felt like this was a perfect answer for my workwear fabric that I have, and I can't wait to wear it. So I picked up this pattern again. I have about 2 or 3 copies of this pattern, and the reason why I have 2 or 3 copies of this pattern is because I've made it about 2 or 3 times. And this is Simplicity 8749. I absolutely adore the blazer on this pattern. Like, if you're looking for a blazer that is, one, very easy to make, has very great instructions and a tutorial, and has welt pockets, this is your pattern. But also, I have marked up my other ones so badly. I have probably ripped the pattern paper 2 and 3 times over that I just had to buy a fresh new envelope. Like, and I felt like, you know, it's a $1.99 sale, why not? So this is probably my 3rd or 4th copy of this pattern, but I'm actually planning to make the blazer again sometime soon. So this was not a totally wasted purchase. All right, you guys, thank you for watching my Simplicity pattern haul. I hope you guys check out your local Joann's this weekend. And if you like this video, if you want to see more, don't forget to hit that like button, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.